In this video, we're going to show you how you can get capital gold extremely quickly here within Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're wondering how you can earn capital gold here in Clash of Clans, here's everything that you need to know. First off, make sure that you are joining clan capital raids. The main way to actually earn capital gold is by participating in weekend raids. You'll earn capital gold by actually destroying buildings, especially strong defensive ones, so make sure you're doing that. On top of that, if you free entire districts, you get bonus capital gold based on how many of your troops actually survive the raid. So instead of just rushing all the way in, make sure you play smart and conserve your units. And finally, the best way to get capital gold is actually just collecting from the forge, because the forge itself generates a small amount of capital gold over time. And if you have the gold pass or builder boost, this generation rate can be greatly increased. So overall, just make sure you're staying active in raids and keep collecting from the forge and you'll stack up capital gold pretty quickly. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out on the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.